Are you ready?
What's up, team? Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Quick Open Canal. Let me take this shade off so you guys can see me properly. It's just that whenever I take my glasses off, I can't really see for the first seconds, few minutes. But then after that, my eyes kind of go back, but I can't see from a far distance. So what's up, guys? As you guys can see, I'm home. I went to the market today. I wanted to vlog, but I was like, I've shown you guys the market so many times. I took you guys to the market where I normally go and buy fish. So today I went ahead also and bought some fish. So today we're going to cook. We're going to make, I already have some, I cook okra soup, which I have in the freezer, in the fridge, sorry. Because I took it out yesterday. But then suddenly today I just feel like eating something different. So we're going to cook something very simple. But I still haven't got the chance to paint this wall or do anything. Let me remove my ring and my watch before they get. I still haven't had the chance to paint or to do the wall because your girl is tired. These few days in Holland, the weather has been really, when I say really beautiful, it has been really beautiful, but also it's very burnout, like hot. So like nobody has time to do anything, honestly speaking. But today I feel like eating something different. That's the reason why I have to go and throw. I'm going to pick the little girl from the daycare. I'll throw this one away. And I bought some strawberries. I needed to buy chocolates. I want me and the girls to make strawberry chocolates. So yeah. Can I have it? Oh. Hate my ma. I should go listen to my videos. Yeah, I do my both. I kept up there doing with both. My son don't want to be in my video. Say hi. Say hi. He doesn't want to be in my videos. Sometimes when people ask me like, yeah, where is your oldest son? He never wants to be in my videos. So yeah, he will go into my videos. So you guys see, he never wants to be in my videos. So when people ask me, I'm like, he's home. He's there. Because he never wants to be in my videos. So yeah, what can you do? You can't force. So I'm just going to, first, let me put all this dirty stuff in here. I have to wash them. And at least the kitchen is looking clean. Let me kind of empty the stuff I bought. Maybe I should just put the camera down a little bit like this. So you guys can see, guys. This is how I went outside, yeah? Because it is pretty hot. I bought some yogurt. Oh, I need to put this one in the freezer. Oh yeah, it's still good. I thought it was kaput. And I bought some chicken because what I'm going to make today, I need chicken. I bought this yogurt. And I also bought this one. I bought donuts. I love it. I'll drink this one. I drank it in the train. Oh. My son haven't even seen this one yet. I went to the African store to buy some seasoning. I bought the chicken and the beef seasoning. I do have some seasoning, but I always like to buy extra. So I bought a lot of strawberries at the market. So I'm going to wash them and soak them. What is this? Oh yeah, cherries. I bought some corn. Let me put these things in the freezer one by one first. Kind of like put the yogurts. This one's like I'm kind of back again into the vlogging spirit. I was a little bit like I was in a down mood, but I kind of like, okay, you know what? I love doing this. Let me just come back and be vlogging because I had so many nice vlogs and I lost all my content, so I haven't really been motivated to do vlogs. Let me just be honestly speaking. But then I was like, you know what, I still have some vlogs that I made, some cooking videos that I haven't Oh yeah, this banana is too ripe and it end up, we'll fry that one tomorrow. I still haven't edited because I was just not in a good mood. I bought some, because I'm going to be needing, what I'm going to cook today. Let me put this one at the, where the bread's supposed to be. I'm going to put the strawberries in here. I'm going to soak them with baking soda. What I do have some cooking videos that I haven't even edited. The food I'm going to be cooking today, I need some carrots. Even though I don't need a lot, I think 1 carrot will be enough. But I just buy 3 because my daughter likes to chew carrots. And I bought some corn, which you can use later. I'm going to put this one here because I don't think you need to put. What I'm going to cook today, I need paprika. I've already bought it. I need some tomato. Just put them there. And this one's I need chicken as well. The seasoning, I always like to have backup seasoning. Like I do have, it's the same. This was the old packaging. This is the new packaging. So it's, I think it's still the same. Yeah, it's still the same. Okay. So I always like to have like extra for in case, because I live in a small village and sometimes you just don't have time to be running to go and buy food. I got this. Let me get some trays. So let me show you guys the kind of, I got salmon fish. I love salmon fish. This one cost me like 10 euros. I really love salmon fish. And then I got canala because I'm going to be making something with canala. I'm going to be needing canala and chicken. I bought some fish, but this one is going to the freezer. This one is the fish I always dry. It's going to the freezer. I'm going to take 2 out of it for in case I want to cook something that I need fish. Just 2. Yes. So this plastic is too small. Oh, it's okay. I should do 1 because normally I don't like to eat this fish. Now let me just do 2. Don't like to eat it like this. I like to dry it. That is how I like to eat this fish. So close it again. This one is going to the freezer like this. Inside this plastic. This one is also going along. And then I bought my favorite fish, which is the red sniper. I love red sniper. This one I'm going to differentiate it because I don't like when everything is in one. If it's in the freezer, when it's time for you to cook it, you're going to be able to, it's very difficult for you to remove one because I don't really cook with red snipers. I only use it to make like some fry, you know, doing some chewing. I'm gonna put one in the plastic bag. red sniper fish is very expensive, but okay, I still have 2 here. So these ones, I'm going to clean them. I'm going to be using this one to cook, not to cook, but I'm going to be seasoning it. I want to do something with it, not today. So this one I'm going to clean. These ones are going to the freezer. I'm just going to wrap this one first. Excuse the sound of those children of mine. So I have the zalm. I'm gonna take 1 zalm. I'm just gonna take 1. I'm just going to put it like on top of the dish that I'm going to cook. The time goes so fast. It is very crazy. Just 1. I think I only have 2. Yeah. Just take 1. I'm gonna put it on top of the dish that I'm going to cook. The chicken. I'm not going to be. Ali, have you left it still side? Well, so many plastic there. Because of the sun, because of the sun is very hot, and the flies are coming. So I remove the dustbin inside the kitchen. I take it outside. Actually, the dustbin for the kitchen, I put it in the store, and I have a special dustbin that stand outside because of the way the hot is. So the chicken, I'm not going to be using everything. Just 1, 2. I'm also going to be using shrimps. So I'm going to only use 2 chicken, because I'm going to be using shrimps and salmon. So I'm just going to keep this one in case I want to make the same dish. Keep this one. This one is also going. So I'm going to be using this one. And also the shrimp. The one that I'm going to use. I don't really want to do a lot of dirty dishes, so I can just taking plastic bag. I'm just gonna I love shrimps, yeah. It's one of my, like, I feel like this is enough, maybe a little bit more, because I'm also gonna add chicken. Yeah, I feel like this is enough. So we're going to eat. Yes, this is for cooking. And these ones are going into the freezer with the bigger chicken. So I'm going to make like a special video so that I don't make this vlog to be super long. I'm going to make a special video showing you guys what I am making. But first I have to like organize everything that I'm going to make. What I'm actually going to make is nothing for you to get a full stomach. I still have sauce in the fridge. I'm gonna cook rice later, so in case the kids are like, oh, we are not full, we need more, they can just eat rice. So what I'm gonna make is just something I wanted to eat, but I'm not gonna make a big pot of it. So this is what I'm going to make. This is what I'm going to make. So it's not going to be a lot. So that's the reason why I have the rice. I'm going to cook the rice. So in case the kids, because my kids, this thing will never, actually my son, this thing is not gonna fool the stomach. So just gonna cook rice, put it aside for in case of emergency. You understand? In case of emergency, this boy not come and tell me, Mama, I'm not full. So that's the reason why I'm gonna cook rice. So yeah, everything is done. This one is gone. I'm so happy that I actually bought the freezer, because that saves me a lot. It really does save me a lot. Like, you have no idea. It saves me a lot. Alia, heb je die groene fles meegenomen? I think she leave it at school again. Die groene fles, ik heb die water. Heb je die meegenomen?
Nee.
Waarom niet? Je neemt altijd spullen naar school en je neemt het nu terug. Waarom? Waarom niet? Je moet op je spullen letten. En wat ga je gebruiken dan vandaag om te drinken dan? Ja, een beker. Je moet de groene fles. Maandag, wanneer je naar school gaat, maandag, gaat zoeken en weer naar huis terugbrengen. Hè? Ga weg. Always you give this girl something to go to school with, she will come and that thing will stay there. It's always like that. Always like that. It's ridiculous and crazy at the same time. But yeah. You know what? You guys have seen what I'm buying. So I don't want to make this vlog too long. So let's just stop this vlog here. It's just showing you guys the thing I bought. You guys can see how I do my hair like this, like a mad woman, because it is hot. It's been out. I've been gaining weight here. If you want to know I'm gaining weight, it's my you will know through my hand, my arms, like my arms, my collarbone, my face. That's how you know I'm gaining weight. And I also went ahead and bought some zwembads for the kids and other stuff to like play, and just a bunch of stuff to paint, to do stuff, but I haven't really have time. Actually, I wanted to paint and make this thing nice, but your girl, we're gonna wait for another time, because right now your girl is tired even to cook this food. If not because I personally I have appetite for this kind of food. Nobody will eat it, so all of us will eat rice, but because I want to eat it, so that's the reason why I'm cooking it. So yeah, but Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Stay tuned for our cooking video. Peace out. Bye.